When the sky dimmed in 536, people thought it was just a long storm. But storms end. This didn't. In a quiet village in Europe, a church stood on a hill. Its bell rang every sunrise and dusk until the sky turned gray. Then the bell kept ringing, day and night, echoing through the cold air. The priest swore no one was ringing it. The villagers climbed the hill to investigate, but inside the church, the bell rope hung still, untouched, swaying in a wind that wasn't there. Yet the ringing continued, low, slow, calling. As days passed, people began to disappear. Not violently, just gone. Doors left open, fires still warm. It was as if they simply stood up and walked away. One day the priest followed the sound. He ventured into the fog behind the church, toward a shape barely visible, tall, pale, still as stone. He later described it as a figure made of frost and ash. He watched it raise one long arm, and the bell rang again. The priest returned, silent, his eyes gray as the sky. No one dared to ask what he had seen. They say the bell still rings today, whenever the world forgets just how fragile the sun really is.